morning, everyone. Happy Friday. For those of you who are still getting to know me, my name is Robin, and I am one of the massage therapists at One Elephant. And today I'm going to be going over two techniques, massage techniques, that you can use on yourself at home to help with your digestion if you're experiencing any abdominal discomfort, whether it be from gas, bloating, or constipation. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to demonstrate from a seated position, but feel free to do this in whatever position feels most comfortable to you and most relaxing, whether or not that be lying in bed, sitting on your couch, whatever feels right to you. So we'll get right into it. The first technique is just a circular motion, like so. You want to make sure that you're going clockwise in accordance to the natural flow of your digestive tract anyway. You want to make sure you're doing nice, deep, slow breathing while you're doing this. You want to really let your belly go. Just let your belly hang out wherever it wants to hang out. You want to kind of keep this circle on the inside of your hips. You'll feel where those bony prominences are at the front. You want to make sure that you are applying a little bit more massage pressure on the bottom hand of the circle than the top hand, because that's going to help encourage the flow of everything as far as lymphatic fluid, blood circulation, digestive juices, all that good stuff. And just keep taking nice deep breaths while you do that, and do it for as long as you like. 5 to 10 circles is a good amount, whatever feels right to you. So that's technique number one. Technique number two is very similar, but you're just doing a downwards force. This technique is, one of the names for it is water wheel. Just starting centrally over the belly button, kind of from your sternum down to the bottom of your belly. You want to start centrally, and you can kind of work outwards as well. Again, going to the edge of the abdomen, kind of where you meet that hip bone, and going on more of an angle when you get out to the outside, going from outside to inside. And then come back to the middle, over that belly button, and go to the other side. Again, doing nice deep breathing while you're doing it. And again, do that for as long as you like. This should help to alleviate any abdominal discomfort or pressure you're having, whether it be from gas, constipation, bloating, anything like that. You may experience during or after some release of gas and need to go to the washroom, and that's perfectly normal. If anything, it's kind of the goal. So those are a couple techniques you can use. Give those a try, and obviously if they're causing you any further discomfort, stop them immediately. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a good day.